Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Today I will make oatmeal bread. I have here uh, 2 cups of warm water, and 2 tablespoons of dry yeast. And then half a cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of margarine. Stir it a little bit. Add 1 cup of oatmeal and 1 cup of flour. And add more flour to make a soft dough. Three, 4, put this in a counter. Start kneading for 8 to 10 minutes. So 10 minutes after kneading, the dough is ready to put it in a grease bowl. This one here. Just leave it in a warm place. Let it rise for about 1 hour and a quarter. One hour and a quarter is here, and my dough is double in size, so I have to punch it down, put some oil, Leave it for another, let it rest for another 10 minutes. 10 minutes after this dough, I will put it in a 2 loaf pan. Put some flour in the counter. I'll divide this into 2. Here, other one. Two loaves here, and let it rise for another, for at least an hour. 1 hour after my bread is rising, and then I will turn the oven to 400 degrees. For 30 to 35 minutes. Now the oven is ready. Put this loaf first, and this is the second one. My bread is ready. Put this one is here. Just let it cool first before I take it out in a loaf pan. Take that one loaf out. Oh, looks very tasty. It is tasty. I baked this before. Let it cool before I can have a slice. I have a slice here for my bread. It's very soft. The other half I give it to my cousin Susie. It's very good. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye-bye.